Hello everyone. As in first part and second part, I already told that what are fractions and what are the different kind of fractions possible. Now in this video, I am telling that how to add or subtract the different kind of fractions. The first I already told in the first video, the like fractions. The like fractions are the one which are having the same denominator, like 1 upon 5, 2 upon 5, 4 upon 5, or if we take another example, 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, and so on. So these all are basically the like fractions. These two are the like fractions. So when we have the like fractions, that simply means if we want to add 1 upon 5 to 2 upon 5, this we can write as 1 upon 5 plus 2 upon 5. That means to a specific part, we are doing 5 parts. 1 out of 5 means this is 1 part out of the 5 parts which we have done. And in the another part, again, we have 5 parts and these are the 2 parts out of 5. This is basically this part. If I am adding these two, as this part and this part are the same, so we can directly add them, so it becomes 3 upon 5. Suppose I want to add another number 1 upon 7 to 3 upon 7. That also means that out of 7 parts I have taken 1 and then out of 7 parts I have taken 3. So the total becomes the 4 parts out of 7. This is the meaning of like fractions, the addition of the 2. When we talk about the subtraction, this is again the simple subtraction. If I say 2 upon 5 minus 1 upon 5, that means I have taken 2 parts out of 5 and then 1 part out of 5 I have taken out. So it remains 1 part out of 5. So this is the subtraction of the like fraction. If I take another example, I am saying 5 upon 9 minus 3 upon 9. So this 5 upon 9 minus 3 upon 9 equals to 2 upon 9. So this is the addition and subtraction of the like fractions. This is always a very, very simple part. When I come to unlike fractions, these are basically the fractions like 1 upon 4 and 3 upon 4. So 1 upon 5 and 3 upon 4, these are the unlike fractions. 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 3, these are the unlike fractions where the denominators are different. Now, suppose I have to add 1 upon 2 to 1 upon 3. Now, because in the like fraction the denominator was same, so we can simply add them. In the case of unlike fractions, the denominators are different. So here, first we have to convert the unlike fraction to the like fraction. Or I am saying that here also, whatever the denominator, I have to equate to the denominator in the second case. When I talk about equating the denominator, that means I am talking about equal fractions. 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 3, the denominators are different. If we take a table of 2, it is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on. If we take a table of 3, it is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and so on. If first of all we have to take that what is the common value in these two so that we can equate the denominators. Now the common value in these two is 6. So we are very sure that if in case we convert these two fractions into the equal fraction, then 1 upon 2 cannot be written to a fraction which has base or the denominator as 5. We can make the denominator 6 in this case. Same way we can make a denominator 6 in this case. If I want to make a denominator 6 for the fraction 1 upon 2, we know that we have to multiply it by 3 in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So to the fraction 1 upon 2, I can write 3 upon 6. Same way if in case I am taking the denominator as 6, in the second case 1 upon 3, we have to multiply by 2 and 2 in the numerator and denominator. This I can write as 2 upon 6. And when I am adding the 2, I have already converted 1 upon 2 as 3 upon 6 or 1 upon 3 as 2 upon 6. Now the denominators are same. And as the denominators are same, we have added in the like fraction. Same way we can add it here. It becomes 5 upon 6. So to the unlike fraction, first of all we have to convert to the like fraction and then we have to add them. Suppose we take some example of subtraction. I am saying it is 3 upon 4 and we are subtracting 1 upon 5 out of it as the example we have taken for the unlike fractions. Here also, first of all we have to convert this and this fraction to something where the denominators become same. If when I am saying denominators become same, if the 4 is there in the denominator, then the like fraction must be, equal fraction must be having the denominator which is having a factor as 4. So we are talking about the table of 4, that is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 and so on. Here also, if 5 is there in the denominator, then 5 can have the equal fraction for 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on. Again we are taking a number 20. 20 is a number which can be written in the denominator for the equal fraction of 3 upon 4 as well as for the fraction of 1 upon 5. So when I am saying it is 3 upon 4, I am writing 20 in the denominator, we have to multiply it by 5. So in the numerator also we multiply by 5, it becomes 15 upon 20. Here when it is 1 upon 5 and we have to make the denominator 20, so we have to multiply it by 4, so we have to multiply 4 in the numerator as well, it becomes 4 upon 20. Again we have converted the unlike fraction into the like fraction and here the answer comes out to be 11 upon 20 because we have to subtract 4 from 15, it becomes 11 upon 20. So I am saying that when we have to solve the like fractions, we can simply add and subtract. When we talk about unlike fractions, then first of all we have to convert the unlike fractions to the like fractions by the concept of equal fractions and then we can add or subtract. Now, if we talk about mixed fraction, it is something like 1 upon 4 added to 2, 3 upon 4. So, to this we can say it is nothing but 1 plus 1 upon 4, then it is 2 plus 3 upon 4. So these numbers which are the proper natural numbers, we can add together, it becomes 3. And to this we can say it is 1 plus 3, 4 and the denominator is 4 as we can add in the like fraction, it is 4 upon 4 and if we cancel them, it becomes 3 plus 1 and that is 4. When we talk about the addition of the two numbers, when the numbers are the unlike fractions like 1, 1 upon 2 plus 2, 1 upon 3. So here we are saying that when can we add it to 2? Directly it becomes 3. And 1 upon 2 can be added to 1 upon 3 as we have already solved in this example, it is 5 upon 6. Same way we can talk about subtraction of the mixed fractions as in the like and unlike fractions. Thank you.